Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Notion. Tables are incredibly useful for organizing information, tracking projects, or managing data in a clean, structured format. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to add your table. If you're starting fresh, you can click on plus new page in the sidebar to create a brand new page. Alternatively, if you already have a page set up, simply open that existing page where you'd like the table to appear. Once you're on your chosen page, it's time to add the table block. Type a /, which is the per inch command, and this will bring up Notion's block menu from the list that appears. Select table, and you'll see options for different table types. For our purposes, click Create Blank Table to add a fresh, empty table block directly onto your page. Now that your table is in place, you'll want to customize it by adding columns and rows. To add columns, simply hover your cursor over the rightmost column in your table. You'll notice a plus button appears. Click it to instantly add a new column to the right. This makes expanding your table horizontally quick and effortless. Similarly, to add rows, hover over the bottom row of your table and click the plus button that appears. This adds a new row below, allowing you to keep building your table vertically as your data grows. If you need more precise control over where columns appear, click the 6 dots icon at the top of any column. This opens a menu that lets you insert another column either to the left or right of your selected column. The same logic applies to rows. Click the 6 dots icon on the left side of any row, and you can insert a new row either above or below it. This gives you total flexibility in structuring your table exactly how you need it. Finally, you can resize columns by hovering over the edges of any column header. When your cursor changes to a resize icon, simply click and drag the edge left or right to adjust the column width. This ensures your table looks clean and everything fits just right. And that's it. You've now created a fully functional table in Notion that you can customize and expand as your needs grow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.